Hey there everyone, hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your Apple iPhone XS from Metro PCS. Alright, so let's just go over what this unlocking will actually do. So this is for people that want to be able to use another company, another carrier. You're not happy with your current carrier and you want to be able to just freely change to a different carrier and not be tied down to any company or any contract. Keep in mind, if you do already have a contract in place, you'll have to finish that somehow, find a solution for it somehow, because it is a contract. But with this unlock, you will be able to use another carrier with your iPhone. So that's what it's for. It's to be able to unlock your phone to use it with other companies. Also, if you want to travel overseas to another country, you need to have your phone unlocked to be able to use it with those other companies overseas as well. So that's what this video is for. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So let's go ahead and first off, remove the SIM card that you have in there. Here's a Metro PCS SIM. Let's put that down. So let's put in another SIM card from another carrier so we can show you what happens. So even if you want to use it, for example, on T-Mobile, and it's a Metro PCS iPhone XS, it's still not going to work. I'm going to go ahead and place the T-Mobile SIM in. And as you can see, it takes us straight to the activation screen. Go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. Hit continue here. And as you can see, it was unable to activate, but it usually gives a message that says SIM not supported. So there you go. The message that we get is SIM not supported. And the reason it's doing that is because the phone is locked to Metro PCS. So any other SIM card from any other carrier, even T-Mobile, won't work unless if your phone is unlocked. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. Go ahead and remove that T-Mobile SIM card, place it right here. And what we're going to be using to unlock this iPhone is a unlock chip, little black unlock chip that looks like this. We're going to have it in the link down below in the description where you can get it. Just place it here in your SIM card tray. Let's place that T-Mobile SIM right back on top of that unlock chip and place it into the phone. Right away, it's going to take us once again to the activation screen. Go ahead and follow the prompts and try and activate it. And once again, it's going to say SIM not supported. But this time around that we have the unlock chip in here with the SIM card that we want to use, we're going to press the power button and the menu is going to appear down here. And we're going to select emergency call. In emergency call, we're going to dial star 5005 star 7672 star 0 pound and then hit dial. This menu is going to appear. Scroll down to edit ICCID. And here we're going to type in the ICCID, which we'll have in the description as well. And the latest one right now is 8901 4104 2792 0258 7523. Once you have it all typed in, hit send. It's going to say set up OK, restart your iPhone now. So hit accept. And let's power the iPhone off really quickly and power it back on. All right, and so there you go. The phone has turned on. Now we're going to go ahead and follow the prompts once again. But this time around, since we already put the correct ICCID with the unlock chip in here, it's going to unlock the iPhone. There you go. So the iPhone is unlocked and activated it. If your SIM card that you put in there is activated, it will pick up service right away. And calls, text messages, internet, data, everything will work as it should. All right, so, and another cool thing that I want to show you is that once your phone is unlocked, you can go ahead and remove the unlock chip. Let's put the T-Mobile SIM card down, and you can take the unlock chip and leave it out. And you're not gonna need to use it with your regular SIM card. So you can actually just put your SIM card that you want to use, just place it back in without the unlock chip, and it will work just fine. And you can do that with any other type of SIM card from any other carrier that you wish to use. All right, so that was just a quick video helping you to unlock your Apple iPhone XS from Metro PCS. So go ahead and give this video a like, really helps us out, and that's it for this video. I'll see you around in the next one. Peace.